Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well. So today video is about maternity clothes and all of the maternity stuff which I bought it from Shein because I went to New Look, I went to the River Island store, but I couldn't find anything which I really want according to the season, according to my size. So what I think, I just order all of the stuff from the Shein, and here is the bag. And first of all, the first item is the one which I am currently wearing. I got it from the Shein for I think £11, and the quality is really nice. You can see the color. I really love this color. This was my favorite outfit from that Shein shopping, so that's why I'm wearing it. I couldn't stop myself wearing it, and this is how it's look. It's really nice and really puffy sleeves, full sleeve dress. Color is really nice and it's look really nice. So here is the first outfit, and then now I'm going to show the next outfit. So here is the second outfit. You can see in the Shein bag, and most of the dresses are winter dresses because it's very cold here. So these are, so you can see it's a long dress, maxi dress. It's not specifically for maternity because I was looking for outfit which is more comfortable, which I can wear after maternity period as well, and which look nice. So you can see the sleeves. First of all, the color is really nice, and this is how it's look. The neckline area, and the stuff is very soft, and it's all, if you can see, it's all knitted, so it's very warm outfit and I really like it. And we can style it with a very nice kind of belt if you want after maternity period. So yeah, that's the second outfit. And then I got so here is the third outfit. It's the same like I showed you earlier, but it's in different color. It's a kind of, if camera can capture the exact color, it's a kind of very light grayish silver color, and the fabric is knitted. I just bought upsize dresses. I used to wear like H size, UK size, and I ordered 10 to 12 so that I feel like more comfortable. And you can see here it's long dress, and it is knitted, and here are the chalks. Here is the neckline. Color is really nice. What I love about this, about these outfits, they all are like very soft. If here I would like to mention one thing. I really like the dresses from Shein, and especially the knitted one, but I'm not sure about the quality because they look good, they feel good, but to check the quality, I think the basic thing is when we wash it, and after washing we can see how they look, if it's come out like very tiny, if you see some bubbles on it or thing like that. So I'm not sure about quality, but for the price I got it, like I bought this one for £9, and then the pink one for £9, and I think this one was £11 to £12, so it's a good price. And I invest I think £60, roughly £60 or £50 for the maternity outfit. So I got these three outfits. And then I got two pair of pants, like jeans. I got the first one is this one, and I didn't go for upsize in this jeans because this one is under the bump. So here it is. It's my actual size of jeans, and this here is the belt, and you can see, so this is the front side, and it is very stretchable kind of jeans pant, the color, and it's look quite nice. I didn't try it yet. but the quality seems like very good, and I got it for £10. So I really like this one. This jeans is under the bum jeans, and then I got another jeans, and this one is over the bump. And for this jeans I go one size up, two size up. So I used to wear 10 size, and for over the bump I order 14 size. I know it's quite big size, but I want to be more comfortable as I can. So here is the jeans which I bought like oversized. This is how it is here from the bottom, and you can see it's pretty big for me, but I got it from in the 2 size bigger than me. And here is this how it's look like on the top. It's a gray kind of stretchy material over here, and this is over the bum jeans, and I think it's gonna be too loose for me at the moment, but I can wear it when I will be in like my 7th month or 8th month. Then I think especially for the 8th and 9th month, I think this will work for me. So this is what I got as a maternity outfit for myself. And here I got a more thing which I got it from Shein for my boy. So here is a cute little blanket, and it's very soft and very fluffy, and I bought it for £5. So it was so cheap, that's why I ordered it, and the quality looks really nice. It's same fluffy from both sides, like you can see here, and then you can see here. And then I ordered one more thing. It's a hooded blanket, and it's look quite big. Wow, it's really cute, and it's quite big. The size is very amazing. Look here, the cute little ears. And here is the Shein tag. And the size of this blanket is quite big. I'm surprised. I was not expecting that it's gonna look this big, and the quality is really good. I like this blanket. So I got this blanket for £10, and then I got another blanket. That's the last thing which I bought from Shein this time. A neutral color blanket, because I already got 2 blue blankets, so I went for this color now. The packaging is quite nice. Look here, the cute little bow, and this blanket is, I think that's the most beautiful blanket till now I bought for my baby. So I really like the packaging of this blanket. You can see here this cute little bow, and this is how it's look from the, you know, the stuff is really soft. I can't explain. It's not fluffy, but it's really soft, and it's different from inside. Look how fluffy it is from inside. It's very silky and smooth on the top, and it's very fluffy from inside. And as compared to the price, I think this blanket is my most favorite purchase from this shopping. So I think I got it for £12, but I personally really like it. So this is what I got for my maternity time, and then I got few stuff for my baby. This is what nowadays I'm doing, sitting home, shopping online, buying things for the baby, being a crazy mom. But it's a kind of obsession, and I'm okay with that. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.